Hey guys, Crypto Mentor 99. I had to do one more video tonight. I'm doing some videos tonight on music, different types of music. I love really all types of music. And this one, if you've never heard of Oliver Anthony, you better Google him. He had a song written called Richmond North of Richmond. Yeah. Anyhow, all you little kids that are listening, I don't agree with all the lyrics, if you know what I mean. This is a family-friendly channel. But there is a lot of truth to what he's saying. Anyhow, Google Oliver Anthony, and you'll know what I mean. Love y'all. Bye-bye.